Welcome to Waron Hospital, a premium hospital prioritizing the balance between technology, comfort, and patients' mental health. The lobby integrates the nature in the space concept and IoT technology. Natural elements create a healing environment that supports the patient's psychological aspects. This design strengthens Waron Hospital's identity as a specialized hospital for women and children. Pediatric area designed for children, 0 to 18 years old. The Poly use is designed to alleviate psychological strain and boredom during treatment. Color usage in the pediatric area supports positive psychological effects. The use of nature creates a peaceful, stress-relieving state for young patients. The space utilizes a soothing nature and greens color palette. These colors are scientifically chosen to calm the nervous system and strengthen the mind and body, creating a true healing environment. VIP inpatient rooms feature integrated natural elements, enhancing patient comfort and aiding physical and mental recovery. The overall design is intended to deliver an authentic healthcare space that actively encourages healing and maximizes patient well-being. Waron Hospital is more than a medical facility. It is a hospital that understands that healing comes from a balance between the body and the mind. Through the profound philosophy of nature in the space and technological innovation,